Hey guys, Mr. Gucci here, and this is a little help video for this Precipitates lab, which is going to serve as your test grade for the end of Unit 7, ionic compounds. So, the objective of this lab is to identify the formulas of 3 compounds that were formed during this lab. And here's how it's going to work. I have given you 6 ionic compounds that you need to combine in every possible combination. That is 15 combinations. So the first thing you will need to do is, in the material section of your lab, fill in the formula of the 6 compounds. They were written on the dropper bottles in the lab area. Make sure that as you're writing these formulas, you are careful to use control comma to make these subscripts small. All right, be careful. Make sure you write the formulas down exactly as they are. Then you are going to combine them in every conceivable combination. Now, it was important for you to write down the formulas here. Notice how I put KOH in purple. By the way, all of these are fake. All right, these are fake example compounds. So for the stuff I'm doing here right now, don't copy anything directly that I'm doing. This is only an example to help you. None of these compounds were used in the lab. Well, some of them were, but you used a different set overall, okay? So I put in my formulas here. Now, copper 2 nitrate, all right? I make sure that goes in right here, all right, in the red area, okay? Then the second one that I wrote down was sodium chromate, all right? I'm going to make sure that's right here, okay? Then copper 2 sulfide, aluminum nitrate, sodium hydroxide, and potassium hydroxide. I put them with their matching colors here, all right? When you open this up, there were letters here. I've erased them and I've put in these formulas. And then you combine these compounds on that little spot plate in the classroom lab area, okay? And you just make note of what you see. If you put the 2 liquids together and nothing happens, you can just type in no result. But sometimes you do get a result. In this made-up data set in which I combined copper 2 nitrate and potassium hydroxide, they combined to make a dark blue compound. And when I combined copper 2 nitrate and sodium hydroxide, it also made a dark blue compound. So I had a match here where 2 different combinations produced the same looking precipitate. All right. And then over here, again, I had a situation where aluminum nitrate and potassium hydroxide create a white cloudy substance, and then aluminum nitrate and sodium hydroxide made a white and cloudy substance. All right, so you are just writing down which substances you are combining together on the sides there, and then you are writing down what your results are in this chart. If you combine the 2 liquids together and nothing happened, then you would just write no result. That's it, all right? Nothing, all right? No compound made, and that's totally fine, all right? Your job will be to find the matching compounds that were made. Now, when you did this lab, you should have noticed, I believe, 3 or 4 matching pairs where different combinations produced the same thing. Your job in this lab is going to be to identify what those matching things are. So in my make-believe example, identifying what the dark blue substance was and identifying what the white cloudy substance was, okay?